Okay, today we have the Elgato HD60S capture card. USB 3, 1080p, and instant game view. So I believe we will be using this mainly to capture PlayStation 4 video and put it on our computer.
For gamings, RJ. Yes, RJ. Hide.
RJ is our gamer.
And I have a piece of a track.
No.
It also comes with software. There's a picture of it. So you can do various things. So it'd be a learning project for us. It's got an HDMI out, USB 3, Type-C, HDMI in, and analog audio. So let's open her up. It's for Windows 10 64-bit.
Yep. Wow. Okay, we unboxing now.
Okay.
I'm gonna go eat some M&M's.
Okay, RJ.
Unboxing the HD60S. It's an Elgato capture card for gaming. We'll be able to capture PlayStation 4, which is what we use. And then it also includes software. Recommendation is Windows 10 64-bit, and it should be an i5, Intel i5 or better. That's the system requirements. And I'm going to open it right now. Take the plastic off, plastic wrap. Okay. Open her up. Just slides out. Not much on it. There we go.
There you go.
There's the HD card or capture unit. High definition. It's very light. Small. Compact.
Small.
Elgato gaming. It's got the model number, serial number. And here's a HDMI in, HDMI out. This is an audio, and this is USB. Is that USB? Forgot what that is. I'll have to look it up. Yeah, it's USB. USB 3.0. Right there. HDMI, USB, audio. And then the HDMI out. So we will hook this up to the PlayStation and also go to our computer. Not much to it. Very simple. And of course it comes with... There we go.
That's USB.
USB to this unit.
Yeah.
So this would go to your computer. This will go from the PlayStation. This is HDMI.
Yeah.
Just a typical HDMI cable. This will go from the PlayStation to the capture card. And then we'll go the capture card using this to the computer, the PC. A Windows 10. You can see this fits the capture card, and this is USB.
Okay.
And what else we got?
Instruction.
Elgato. A decal. Game Capture HD60S. Download the Elgato Game Capture hard drive software to get started. So it's a free download.
Sorry.
So you actually just get online right here. Elgato.com gaming download. Download it to your computer and hook up the USB, the capture card, and then you go to your gaming unit. Pretty simple.
Guys.
Out, HDMI out, HDMI in, audio, and USB.
And that's it.
Got this at Best Buy.
Yeah, buy Best Buy 170 plus.
Yep.
And here's me.
And there is RJ. He's the gamer.
Not know why I'm holding this part because I'm ready to do this.
Okay, and that's it. The unboxing for Elgato
But first, I
captured
have to
card. Bye-bye.
So let's go with the software. Okay, here we are at our PC. We typed in Google, we typed in Elgato.com gaming download. And it comes up at this screen right here for download version 3.7. And we already clicked that, and now we're going to hit this on the bottom here. We're going to hit the run. See what happens. Free software from Elgato. Works with their capture card. It's also a stream deck for Windows. I guess if you want to get fancy and do online real-time streaming. I don't know if we need that right now. It says requires Windows 10 64-bit, which we have. The website uses cookies to enable certain functions and to improve your user experience. By continuing to browse the site, you are agreeing to use. Okay, so it's waiting for us to say got it. So it's installing right now, waiting. Status looks like almost 3/4 of the way. Download version 3.7 is what we did. Then we hit run, and then we went through a series of pages, menus, and clicked next, and finally it got to the point where you're installing. And we shall see. It's registering, removing backup files. Gives you status as it goes. Okay, it now completed the Elgato Game Capture HD Setup Wizard. So now we'll hit finish. And see what happens. Okay, thought normally it would say something else. Got it. Good, let's see. Okay, and we clicked on Game Capture icon, and there it is. Game Capture HD. Connect your capture devices to get started. We haven't hooked up the capture card yet. It says no capture devices found. Live streaming. I think there's other software for that. Audio, live commentary. Got it all, syncs it all together, I guess.